Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to enable media notifications with vibration on Google Chrome. This feature can enhance your browsing experience by ensuring you don't miss any important alerts while enjoying your media. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. This is where we will make all the necessary adjustments to your settings. If you're using a mobile device, ensure you have the latest version of Chrome installed for optimal performance. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon opens a menu with various options that will help us navigate to the settings we need. Once you click on the three dots, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This section allows you to customize your Chrome experience according to your preferences. Now, scroll down and find the Notifications option. Clicking on this will take you to a list of all notification settings available in Chrome. Here comes the crucial part. Look for Playing Media within the Notifications list. This setting specifically controls how notifications behave when media is playing in your browser. Click on it to enter its settings. Finally, toggle the option to enable vibration. By doing this, you allow your device to vibrate whenever there's a media notification. This feature is particularly useful if you're in a meeting or in a quiet environment and still want to stay updated without sound. To summarize, here are the steps we covered. 1. Open Chrome browser. 2. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. 3. Select Settings. 4. Navigate to Notifications. 5. Find Playing Media. Enable vibration. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Google Chrome to vibrate for media notifications. This small adjustment can make a significant difference in how you interact with media while browsing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.